Hello, gardening friends.
It is December the 17th.
In time for our December garden tour.
So let's get down to the garden
and see what's going.
Today,
on organic gardening in North Carolina.
All right, here we are at the bottom of the garden. Here is some Ethiopian kale. So I got like 3 of these, and then here is some arugula. Look at this kale though. Being that it was Ethiopian kale and it makes it through the summertime really well, I wasn't sure how it would do in the cold. So far, so good. It's really a beautiful dark green leaf, and it is handling the cold so far. It's a little spicy. It's almost like an arugula kale mix. This is some kale. I believe this might be premier kale.
Wait, we have Ethiopian kale in our lizard's cage.
No, you don't.
Ethiopian kale?
You got longevity spinach.
Is that longevity spinach?
Mm-mm. Did you pause it?
No.
You didn't? Okay. Yeah, so this is premier kale. All right. Look at the fig trees. All their leaves have fallen off. Still had some figs left on there. See, look at those figs that were left on.
Let me see.
Over there. See them over there?
Yeah.
Those figs. Okay, look at all these onions. Remember last month they were just starting to come up out of the ground?
Where did they go?
Right there. In the mulch I put down.
Yeah.
I put the rabbit bedding down there. And I put a layer of comfrey and the rabbit bedding, and then I put leaves on top. So that's a wonderful bed. They're doing really well. And there's arugula there. That's a pile of arugula that I planted. Got a close up here of this Egyptian spinach. Got all kinds of different spinaches. Get a close up here. I'm going to pop this open. Take a look at the seeds in it. Right there.
Wait, it's not focusing. There.
Tap on it. Okay. It's sort of wet right now, so these seeds are not going to be viable because they're not green. They're like brown.
Yeah.
So I need to find seeds that are green. Might have left them too long and it got too wet. But I already did harvest some seeds. Look, there's some more onions. Some more of our onion bed over here. They're doing pretty well. Oh, look how I insulated. I chopped down the Moringa tree and insulated it. I put a box around, put a bunch of dry leaves in there, and then I put a plastic bag over the top to keep it dry. So we're going to see if that moringa will make it through the winter. I haven't had one make it through the winter yet, but I haven't ever bundled it up like that. But I might have gotten it done too late because we already did have some frost.
Sounds like an experiment.
It is definitely an experiment. Garden experiment.
Experiment tea.
You want to pull one of these carrots, or you want me to pull one for you?
Yeah.
They don't look like they got real big. That one looks as big as any. There we go. I have some breakfast today. We're having carrots today.
Can you wash it?
Yeah, you want to eat it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh!
There you go, a little baby carrot.
Can you film me eating it?
Okay.
I'm going to eat a carrot.
That little baby looks like it's a little tough. Or is it tender?
Uh-oh.
Pretty good? You can give the green to the carrot.
Okay.
You can give the green to the carrot.
Okay.
You can give the green to the rabbits, I mean.
Okay.
All right. Okay, there's the strawberry bed I mulched over for the winter. You can see some of the stronger strawberries are already pushing through, and they'll be the ones that will make it for next year. Look at these radishes down here. Those are, I left a packet out here. They're watermelon radishes. They kind of have a red inside, and I believe they're white outside. Put this little cage over there to protect some of them from the rabbits, because I think these have been getting chewed on a little bit. Here's some more fall crop over here. There's a row of lettuce that's starting to come up. And some more radishes over here. And some arugula, some carrots, a little bit of everything. There's some dandelion that we planted. I think that is an Italian dandelion. One over here.
What happened to the tromboncino squash?
It didn't like the cold. It died. There's the base of it there. You can see how big a vine it was. But it's actually died. You can let that rot down into the soil.
These were supposed to be cucumbers.
Yeah. We didn't get very many cucumbers. That vine took over. Next year we'll have to let the cucumbers grow.
What are these beans?
These are just beans that came up. I don't think they're anything special. I did have rattlesnake beans here, but these are not rattlesnake beans.
Oh.
You want to try the beans?
Sure. Are they edible?
Yeah, for sure. Here's some more.
I have one.
Hello. Come on out here. I've got a row. I raked up, made a little raised area here that I'm going to plant some radishes and maybe some onions in. Here's some garlic, some cilantro. You want some cilantro?
Yeah.
You like that bean, huh? Some cilantro to wash it down. And then here are some garlic. I believe this is all garlic. They look like onions though. It might be garlic and onions. I know I put garlic here. Looks like I put some onions here too, maybe. Some arugula.
What about the
Persimmons.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at those persimmons. Those are going to start turning ripe soon and we'll be able to eat some. In fact, I'm going to do a persimmon video, so I'll put an end screen for the persimmon video when that video is up. Look at all my Starbucks coffee. That's ready to put over the garden.
It's really just coffee grounds.
That's what I mean, coffee grounds. Use coffee grounds that Starbucks gives out for free. Alright, look at the blackberries. They're still blooming away, even though we've gotten all these frosts.
This blackberries like cold.
Yeah, they got cold, but they don't seem to mind cold weather very much. But they're not gonna make it. Here's some more figs that got left on the tree.
You can have some?
No, they're not. You can't eat them. They're hard as a rock.
Oh.
Look.
Ow!
That was a trick shot.
Hey, trick shot!
Alright, repeat after me.
Repeat after me.
So hope you and yours
So, hope you and yours
have a very blessed
have a very blessed
Christmas season.
Christmas season.
See you for our tour again next year.
See you for our tour again next year. I'm not going to see you guys for a whole year.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.